Imagine stepping into a soothing space designed specifically for gentle, restorative yoga. Soft, natural light filters through sheer curtains, and the room is filled with the calming scent of lavender. Plush mats and supportive props, bolsters, blankets, and blocks are arranged to provide comfort and accessibility. The atmosphere invites relaxation and reassurance. Props and modifications. Picture a range of props set up to support each individual. Bolsters and blankets are used to cushion and support the body, ensuring comfort in every pose. Blocks and straps assist in modifying poses, making them accessible regardless of flexibility or strength. Slow, mindful movements. Envision a practice where each movement is slow and deliberate, with a focus on mindfulness and body awareness. Instead of dynamic flows, the practice includes gentle stretches and restorative poses designed to alleviate pain and enhance relaxation. Breath awareness and relaxation. The session begins with guided breath work, helping participants connect with their breath and calm their nervous system. Visualize deep diaphragmatic breathing that eases tension and promotes relaxation. Gentle stretches and poses. The practice features poses like supported child's pose. Picture participants resting their foreheads on a bolster with their knees spread apart and a blanket supporting their hips. This position gently stretches the back and hips, offering relief from lower back pain. Reclining bound angle pose. Imagine participants lying on their backs with feet together and knees falling open, supported by props. This pose helps open the hips and relax the lower back cat-cow pose. Visualize a gentle flow between arching and rounding the back, while on hands and knees, promoting spinal mobility and reducing stiffness. Restorative postures. The practice includes long-held restorative poses, such as supported legs up the wall pose. Picture participants reclining with their legs extended up a wall and their backs supported by a bolster or blanket. This pose helps improve circulation and relieve tension in the lower body. Savasana, corpse pose. The session concludes with a deeply restorative savasana where participants lie comfortably on their backs supported by props. A guided body scan or visualization may be used to deepen relaxation and ease remaining tension. As the practice draws to a close, participants are encouraged to focus on self-care and mindfulness. Gentle affirmations or guided imagery may be used to reinforce a positive mindset and encourage ongoing pain management. Imagine participants learning simple mindfulness techniques to integrate into their daily lives, helping them remain grounded and focused on their well-being. Participants are invited to reflect on their experience, noting any changes in their pain levels or overall comfort. This reflection fosters a deeper connection with their practice and their bodies. Gentle yoga offers a nurturing approach to managing chronic pain, focusing on comfort, relaxation, and mindfulness. By incorporating supportive props and mindful movements, this practice creates a safe and accessible space for individuals to find relief and improve their quality of life. With patience and consistency, gentle yoga becomes a valuable tool in the journey toward pain management and holistic well-being. This illustration highlights how targeted yoga practices can boost immune function and support overall health, blending breathwork and specific asanas to create a comprehensive approach to immune support. Feel free to share these valuable resources with your friends and in your WhatsApp groups. Encourage them to subscribe to our channel for Radhika's expert yoga tips and mindfulness practices. Subscribe now and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more. @YogaGirl4Health.